Hi guys. Oh, I'm terribly late for my dance class. Don't disorient me. How are you doing?
Hello there, Vera. It really is bad to be late. Therefore, we won't hold you back any longer.
And we're doing fine. We bought a new game called The Adventures of the Trainsformers.
Oh, it must be shooting and stuff. And I like the game, with enchanted castles, a prince and a princess, and their wedding in the end, and...
Vera, how late are you already?
When I met you, I was late for 2 minutes. Oh no, what have you done, you guys? Now I'm late for 5 whole minutes.
Oh dear, what have we done, Ethan? We must help her.
Yeah, but how?
I've got an idea.
So if I understand you correctly, you want to stop all the clocks in Train City for 5 minutes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Mr. Clockface, please. Please, it's only for 5 minutes. Vera won't be late that way.
The Train City is so big, and 5 minutes aren't a very long time, you know. No one would ever notice. Oh, please, could you help us?
So what you're saying is that you think nobody would notice those 5 minutes, right? All right, then let's just picture this for a moment, shall we?
I have guests today. Oh, it's time to take the cake out. It's been 5 minutes sharp. Oh! I'm burning! I'm burning! Water! I need water!
Oh, let's hear the weather forecast for today, huh?
It has been our weather broadcast for tomorrow. You are listening to...
Darling, I'm going to take a quick shower before work.
Remember, in 5 minutes, they are closing the water to repair the pipes.
I've got plenty of time, a whole 5 minutes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's going on? Where's all the water?
Yeah. Mr. Clockface was right. Poor Mrs. Dove with her cake. And my dad, he was late for work.
And poor Grandpa Billy with the weather broadcast.
But George, what about Vera? We didn't help her, did we?
Hi there, guys.
Vera? Were you very late?
I wasn't late at all. I got confused. Actually, my dancing class is tomorrow.
Tell me, Ethan, who would be the most disoriented person in the whole of Train City? Huh?
I think that would be Vera.
Of course it's Vera.